down the path of letting other people work on your stuff. I'd encourage you not to. You might say, well, I don't have the skill to do this. I've never worked on a diesel before, blah, 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 blah. Recognize that it is air plus fuel equals kaboom. There's nothing that we're doing here that's so very complicated. But I want you to notice something right there. Huh. What do we suppose happened there? Huh. What are these other holes for? Okay. You can hit pause right now if you want to impress your friends. But these are for your oil rail bolts. Torque spec on these is 96 inch-pounds. Guys, that is 8 foot-pounds. 8 times 12 being 96 and all. That's nothing. Yet some fool thought it was reasonable to torque this thing down so far as to cause that to snap. And now we are faced with the challenge that so many of us are faced with, and that is, what do we do about this? Well, we know what the proper thing to do is. Get it out of there. So now we go through the process of getting that done. And why? All because somebody else worked on our stuff. Ugh. So, if you can, work on your own stuff, because you won't have these kind of problems.